Good morning everyone. We are dealing with the chapter gravitation. In the last class we have studied about universal law of gravitation and we have learned an equation that is F equal to G into m1 m2 by d square. Okay. So today we are going to solve some problems. Okay. Look at here. Here you can see a question. I'll read the question. A child of mass 40 kilogram is sitting at a distance of 1 meter. Okay, so from here we will get a mass that is m1. m1 equal to 40 kilogram. Okay, and sitting at a distance of 1 meter. Okay, sitting at a distance of 1 meter, and we have got distance also, that is 1 meter. Okay, then from another child of mass 50 kilogram. Here the first child mass is 40 kilogram. Okay, and the second child's mass is here 50 kilogram is given. Okay, so we can write m2 is equal to 50 kilogram. Okay, so here we want to calculate the gravitational force of attraction between these two children. Okay, so here we have an equation that is F equal to G into m1 m2 by d square. Okay, so we all know the value of G, that is G equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square by kilogram square. Okay, in the last class we have studied all this. Okay, so we want to apply these all values into this equation. Then how will we write? We can write 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. That's the value of G. Okay, then the value of m1 is 40 and the value of m2 is 50. Okay, then by d square. Here d square is what? How much? That is 1 meter. So we can write as 1 square. Okay, is it clear? So we can calculate this. 6.67 into 40 into 50. We will get as we will get as 13340 into 10 raised to minus 11. Okay, the unit is Newton. Okay, is it clear? So here you can see 11 zeros. We can write this 10 raised to minus 11 as 1 by 10 raised to 11. Okay. Here after decimal point there have 11 digits. Okay. So we can write as here you can see how much digits, that is 5 digits. Okay. After decimal point there have 11 numbers. Okay, so we can write as like this. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so here the force of attraction is very small. Okay, is it clear? Shall we move to the next question? Look at here. Here you can see the question. I'll read the question. A body of mass 50 kilogram and another body of mass 60 kilogram. Here we got the two masses. M1 as 50 kilogram. Okay, and M2 as how much? That is 60 kilogram. Okay, are separated by a distance of 2 meter. What is the force of attraction between them? Here also we want to find the force of attraction. Okay, here the two masses are given and also the distance is given. Here the distance is how much? That is 2 meter. Okay, is it clear? So we have an equation that is F equal to G into M1 M2 by D square. Okay. F equal to G into M1 M2 by D square. Okay, is it clear? So we want to apply these all values into this. We know the value of G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per by kilogram square. Okay. So we can write 6.67 into 50 into 60. Okay. Divided by D square. D is how much? 2. So we can write as 2 square. Okay. We will get as 5002.5 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton. Okay. Okay. So this is the answer. Here the force of attraction between them is how much? 5002.5 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton. Okay. I think these two problems all of you got cleared. Okay. So, this is all about today's class. I think all of you got it. Thank you.